Veganism, a diet that excludes all animal products for health, environmental, and ethical reasons, emerged in the late 1940s when Donald Watson founded the Vegan Society in England. Initially rooted in ethnocentric vegetarianism, focusing on plant-based food, veganism expanded to include clothing and personal care products made from non-animal sources as early as the mid-20th century. In the United States during the 1970s, cultural shifts influenced by environmental concerns led to increased awareness of animal agriculture's impact on climate change, motivating many vegans to adopt more stringent dietary guidelines that exclude all animal-derived products, including dairy and eggs. By the early 21st century, veganism had become a global movement, with estimated millions practicing it worldwide, impacting industries such as food production, fashion, personal care, and even agriculture practices like aquaculture. A significant economic impact has been seen in certain regions where plant-based product demand grew exponentially, driving innovation and job creation within these sectors. On the other hand, veganism's rapid expansion also posed challenges to animal welfare organizations and traditional agricultural businesses reliant on a meat-eating consumer base. As of 2023, global vegan diets contribute significantly to reduced greenhouse gas emissions by as much as 74%, aligning closely with United Nations targets for Sustainable Development Goals related to climate change mitigation. Looking ahead, continued advancements in technology could further streamline production processes within the vegan industry, potentially lowering costs and increasing accessibility. Moreover, public health advocacy groups have emphasized the potential of plant-based diets to address global nutrition challenges, suggesting that by 2050, a substantial portion of the population worldwide may adopt some form of veganism as an integral part of sustainable living practices.